Hello students, today we'll be discussing about the list of assignment for SE Computer, uh, Savitribai Phule Pune University. So the suggested list of assignment is here displayed on the screen. So this lab, which is related to object-oriented programming and computer graphics, it is combinedly called as OOP and Computer Graphics Lab. So it is having 4 hours practical per week for 2 credits. Okay, term work is for 25 marks and practical is for 25 marks. Now, let us see what are the contents and what assignments we are supposed to do in object-oriented programming. As the name is given, it is this lab is divided into two parts. Part 1 is object-oriented programming, and total we have 6 assignments as group A, B, and C, as you can see here. So let us see one by one which concepts are implemented in the lab. So the first assignment is to implement a class complex, which represents the complex number data type. So we have to perform some operations on complex number. So we have to take input as complex number. And what are the things which must be included in the assignment are constructor. So it should include a default constructor to create the complex number. Okay, this is the first condition. The second is we have to implement operator overloading to overload the operator plus and star. Plus to add two numbers, two complex numbers, and star to multiply two complex numbers. Now again we have to overload two more operators, redirection operators here, to take input, that is to read the complex number and to print the complex number on the screen. This is the first assignment. Now second assignment, you can see it is a bit long statement. So we have to design or develop a program in C++ to create a database of a student. So database of student information system. Okay, so it contains some information of a student as given in the list, name, roll number, etc. So what are the things which must be included? The first is a constructor, default constructor, copy constructor, destructor, static member function, friend class, this pointer, inline code, and dynamic memory allocation with the help of operators new and delete. So all these concepts which we will be learning in C++ theory or object-oriented programming theory, we have to implement in a single assignment as a second problem statement. Now the third one is we have to maintain a database of publishing company, okay, which maintains or which does the marketing of book and audio cassettes. So here also we have to maintain the information and we have to write the program that will allow us to user to enter data and display the data members. Okay, even we have to implement exception also. If an exception is caught, replace all data member values with 0. So we have to learn about exceptions also. This is a third assignment we have. Then group B started. Now group B starts with the file operations. So the first assignment, that is fourth one in the list, is to implement a file operation which will create a program that creates a output file, writes information to it, closes the file, open it again, input file, and read the information from the file. So all the file operations in a single statement. We can take any say database or any information which we will be writing to the file and again reading it afterwards. Now fifth is write a function template for selection sort that input sorts and output an integer array and a float array. For both the type of array, we are supposed to write a function template. Okay. And the last assignment, that is sixth one, is C++ program using STL. So both the statements here we have or, either we can implement this statement, the first which is given, or the second statement. What is difference between them is both are having STL. Okay. Now here the record such as personal record, and here the records such as item records. So type of database is changed only, concepts you have to use STL as well as vector container. This is the last assignment. So total we have 6 assignment in list of assignment. Now next part, that is part 2. We have one more assignment here. We are left with that. The 7th assignment. So write a program in C++ to use map associative container. The keys will be the names of streets and the values will be the populations of the streets. Okay, so the last program uh, is related to container. Okay, so we are going to run that and we have to implement a map associative application. So the when the program runs, the user is prompted to type the name of the state, and then program then looks into the map using the state name as the index and return the population of the state. So this is what we expected. Now that means we have total 7 assignments as per university list in object oriented programming part 1. Okay, part 2 is computer graphics. Let us see how many assignments we have. This computer graphics part will be explained by CG teacher. So I'm not going to explain what is expected in each and every assignment. Here we have again 7 assignment in CG. Okay, so 7 plus 7 total 14. And this eighth one is a mini project which is design and implement game, animation clip, graphics editor using open source graphics library. So, and addition with that, it is mentioned that make use of maximum features of object-oriented programming. So this mini project will be combination of your computer graphics and object-oriented programming. So this is what is expected in a single lab that is called as OpenCG lab. Okay. So as per our schedule, first concepts of this will be covered in the theory classes and then we'll start with the actual assignments. So keep watching the further videos for implementation of these assignments. So I'll be teaching each assignment one by one, okay, in every video.